What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi on the lens. We're back at it again. We get another man. Today we have the lovely...
The doll staff.
How do you spell your Instagram, man?
DADOLLSTEPHH.
So today she came to me with a concept. She was like, I got this cherry thing, and like, I wanted to look real cute. Like, I know you be saucing photos. And I was like, okay, so like, what can we do with that? She's like, oh, I want a cherry background. I was like, okay, bet. So like, we're gonna make it come to life. Because you guys know I've been getting into the VFX heavy. So we've been having a little bit of fun with that. So she came with the cherry outfit. So we're gonna go ahead and have some fun with that. We're about to do a little bit of behind the scenes. I got you guys on the behind the scenes. I'm gonna do a one light setup. I got my Sony I'm shooting off of. And I got a lot of like the fill light just for you guys. We're about to go ahead and have some fun. Let's do it. Start off with some test shots. So get your skin tones right and stuff like that, just to make sure that you like your skin tone. I'm gonna shoot, and then like you're gonna be like, okay, I like my skin tones, or I'm too bright, or I'm too dark, and then we'll fix it from there, and then we'll just go off of that. So come forward a little bit. Right there, you're good. All right, there. I got my two lights on the side, you guys, so I can light up the subject. Make sure she's evenly lit. Not saying nothing about her, you know what I mean? Like, but like, you know, you're already helping me out. All right, bet. So we do some test shots so I can see how we're looking real quick. All right, you guys, I'm shooting in manual as always, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and bump up my settings. I was shooting at 1/32 before on my speed light, but let's see how she's looking. Hold it. Let's see, hold it. Oh, I'm gonna boost this down a little bit. See, we're gonna go to 1/64, you guys. And then I'm gonna up my ISO one bit. Ooh, there we go, hold it, let me see. Hold that one, hold that one. Okay, this is bright, darker, and darker. All right, bet. So look at your skin tones. Just look at your skin tones, not how you pose. This is the darker one. This is a little bit brighter, and it's a lot brighter. Let's get into it.
I can like sit and do whatever I want. Okay.
Just let me know when you're, okay, you're sitting. All right, bet. Cool. Guys, remember to move your lighting with your model. You know what I'm saying? She freestyling right now, so we gotta catch your mid freestyle. You know what I'm saying? Catch your mid freestyle. Do one where you're kind of like back with it, like with your hair, like you're kind of like throwing it back. Like I know how you do the two, you're like this. Like imagine so like yep. With it out your hair, there we go. With that out your face, there we go.
Let me do a bunch.
Hold it, let me see something. There we go. There we go, yep, hold that one. Go back, put your hand back, yep, just like that. Hold it. Get you guys a rolly chair. Definitely gonna help out.
What?
Hold it. Let me know.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. I got you. I'll hide it. Just do what you gotta do, and then I'll do what I gotta do.
Let me just do a bunch of shit.
Let me know.
Yes, like that. I love it. Yes.
Yeah, let's catch a few more. There we go. Hold on, let me do a boomerang real quick. Oh. All right, get ready.
I don't think I should be laying down though. I feel like if he goes from the top and I'm laying down on my back, it would like. You don't think that would look a little better?
That's what I was thinking about.
Yeah.
Like I'm pretty sure that's what you were thinking too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I said you laying on your side is another one that you could do, like the laying on your side one.
And if you don't want your face to fly, you can kind of like lift your hands a little bit. And your head doesn't have to be pushing you.
Yeah, up a little. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Let me know what you're thinking. Hold on.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.